My favorite thing about this blender is simply how powerful it is. I like to grind wheat in blenders, so I need a powerful blender, and this works perfect for that. Here's a video clip of me making whole wheat pancakes in the blender. I kind of tried an experiment where not only did I grind the wheat in the blender, but I decided I'd go ahead and mix everything up in the blender just to see how well it did. And once I got things stirred around, it did a great job, even though the batter was really thick. This handled everything really well. And in case you're wondering, the pancakes were just okay. I've been really happy with this blender though. It's really powerful, very simple setup. This was sent to me so I could make this video and try it out. Here are all the pieces that come with it. So you can see it does have kind of an extra cup that you can use to store smoothies in or something like that. The rubber part up here you kind of have to put on manually. That did take a bit of effort. I kind of had to kind of shimmy it on, but once it's on, it worked just fine. One thing to be aware of with this blender is it does have kind of a trigger. The jar has to be on the blender for the blender to work. You can see there's kind of a hole here where the plastic piece has to go inside for the blender to be able to work. So that's a nice safety feature. As far as the lid on the jar goes, this seems to be a little bit more rubbery than other lids I've used. A lot of the lids I use kind of have a plastic piece with rubber around for the seal. This whole thing is rubber, which to me it seems like it makes things more secure, but it's also a little bit more hard to put the lid on the jar. It also comes with a tamper. I feel like the tamper could be maybe about 1 centimeter longer, but as is, the tamper works really well, so very happy with that. And then for the controls, you just have a single speed knob. You have a pulse button if you want to do pulse, and then an on-off switch. And then the speed knob, it kind of just has pictures for what the different speeds are, but you essentially have low to high. So very simple controls. There is no programming, but it does have a lot of power, and that's what I care for. The other day I did kind of a smoothie milkshake with a bunch of frozen fruit, and you can see as I tried to pour it out, nothing would come out because it was so thick. I was very impressed with how well this works, even though the smoothie was super thick. Ended up being really good, much better than the pancakes. But that's all there is to it. Really simple controls, variable speed, lots of power, and you can see the blades on this are serrated, so really nice for crushing things up. Nice tall jar, you can fit a lot in here. This blender works really well.